Hi all, in this video, we shall show how you can upgrade the Exadata system software to 25.1. You should refer the MOSDoc ID 888828.1. Scroll down and select Exadata 25. Consider the latest version, in this case 25.1.3.0.0, which is available in the OCI console at the top under the OS Update page. Click the README note. So now under this note, it will provide the minimum grid and database update that your environment need to be in prior to doing an OS update to 25.1.3. After ensuring you have the minimum release update requirements, you have to run the pre-check. Shown here are some errors for reference. In this error, the pre-check failed since there was no enough space in /u02. In this pre-check failure, it shows that the minimum grid release update and database release updates are not met. So after resolving all the issues, click on the updates available. You can find the OS updates, the grid infrastructure update, and the latest database home updates. Click on the pre-check and confirm. The state will change from available to check-in. You can also see this from the update history. You can further monitor the work request. Let's go back to the view updates. You can now see the latest successful pre-check. Only if the pre-check completes successfully, apply the Exadata OS image update. The updates are applied in a rolling manner, and thus the database remains available during the update operation. Click Apply Exadata Image Update. Here, the state will change from available to applying. You can then monitor the work request. Finally, verify the Exadata OS image. Now, there are no new updates since we are on the latest. And under the update history, you can find the details of the updates applied along with the timestamp. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.